This is Mohanapriya from Pon Vidyashram. I welcome everyone to class 9 mathematics. Today we are going to see the second chapter, polynomials. In this chapter, we are going to see the introduction of polynomials, polynomials in one variable, types of polynomials based on terms, constant polynomial, degree of polynomial in one variable, types of polynomial based on degrees, factor theorem, remainder theorem, and algebraic identities. First, we'll see what is polynomials. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponents of variables. An example of polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 7. Variable. A variable is an unknown value. For unknown value, we can use any alphabets. Here, example 1 plus x equal to 3. X is an unknown value. So, x is a variable. Algebraic expression. Any expression involving constant, variable and some operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Variable is an unknown number and generally we can use any alphabets. Constant. Any number without any variable. Coefficient. A number followed by a variable. Term. Any number or variable separated by operators. Now we are going to find out which is variable, constant and coefficient. Here the given equation is 4x minus 7 equal to 5. Here x is a variable, that is unknown value. Followed by variable we have coefficient, that is 4. Minus is the operator. Without any variable we can call it as constant. That constant is 7 and 5. Types of polynomials based on terms, we have three types. First one is monomial. Mono means only one. So monomial have only one term. Example minus 2x power 5. Second type is binomial. Bi means 2. So binomial have two terms. Example x square plus 5. The last type is trinomial. Tri means 3. So trinomial have three terms. Example 3x minus 8 plus 4x power 5. We can see detail in monomials. Monomials are the algebraic expressions with only one term. It is an expression that contains any count of like terms. For example, 2x plus 5x plus 10x. As soon as you can see this example, you can say it is a trinomial. It has three terms. No, it is wrong. Here the algebraic expressions are same. So if we add, we'll get 17x. It has only one term. So it is a monomial. More examples are 40, 21x square and 9pq. These are the examples of monomials. It has only one term. Binomials. Binomials are the algebraic expressions with two unlike terms. For example, 3x plus 4x square. Here, two terms are there. The two terms are separated by an operator plus. The variables are also different, x and x square. So, these two terms we call as binomials. Another one example, that is 10pq plus 13p square q. This is also a binomial. It has two unlike terms. Trinomials. Trinomials are the algebraic expressions with three unlike terms. For example, 3x plus 5x square minus 6x cube. It has three terms with different algebraic expressions. So, this one, it is a trinomial. Next example, 12pq plus 4x square minus 10. This one also have three terms with different algebraic expression. So it is a trinomial. Degree of polynomials in one variable. What is degree? The highest power of the variable in the algebraic expression. Example, x square plus 2x plus 4. Here the highest power is 2. So the degree of the equation is 2. Constant polynomial. First we'll see what is constant. Any number without any variable, we call it as a constant. Now, constant polynomial, a polynomial of degree 0. Example, 7. It is also called a zero polynomial. Here the degree is not defined. Factor theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. If p of a equal to 0 and if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Example for factor theorem. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. The zero of the polynomial is x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2. In the given equation, wherever x is there, we have to substitute minus 2. So p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6. If we add and subtract this everything, we'll get 0. If we get 0, so x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Next, remainder theorem. When a polynomial f of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, the remainder of that division will be equivalent to f of a. Example for remainder theorem. Find the remainder when p of x equal to x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Now we will see the solution for this. X minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1. In the given equation, wherever x is there, we have to substitute 1. So 1 power 4 plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 minus 2 plus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So the answer is 2. Here the remainder is 2. Types of polynomials based on degree. There are 3 types of polynomial. First one is linear polynomial. Second one quadratic polynomial. And the third is cubic polynomial. Types of polynomial based on degree with example. First one is constant polynomial have degree 0. Example 2, 3, 5. Next, linear polynomial have degree 1. Example x plus 2, y plus 5 and 3u plus 4. Next, quadratic polynomial have degree 2. Example 2x square plus 5, x square plus 2 by 7x, 5x square plus 2x plus 5. And the last one is cubic polynomial have degree 3. Example 8x cube, 2x cube plus x plus 1, then 6 minus x cube. These are the examples of polynomial based on degrees. Now we'll see the first exercise. First question. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. First subdivision is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. When you are seeing this question, first we have to see the variable. Here we are using only one variable, that is x. The exponents of x is also a whole number. So it is a polynomial. Now I'll see the second subdivision, y square plus root 2. Here the variable is y. The exponents of y is also a whole number. So it is a polynomial. Third subdivision, 3 root 2 plus t root 2. Here the variable is t, but the exponents of t is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Then fourth subdivision, y plus 2 by y. Here the variable is y, but the exponents of y is not a whole number. Here the exponents of y is -1. So it is not a polynomial. Fifth subdivision, x power 10 plus y cube plus t power 50. In this, every exponent of a variable is whole number, but here we are using three different variables. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you, students.